Did you know that okra is one of the vegetables that is called health vegetables? Yes, okra contains a lot of nutrients that is very important for our health. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a okra soup and how this vegetable is very important for us. Believe me, I'm very qualified to teach you about okra because I have experience in okra for a long time. I have been cooking okra since I was a kid, and I have experienced that vegetables in my own family. My goal today is to teach you how to make the soup of okra and how can you incorporate that vegetable in your diet. I will start my speech by explaining you the process of making okra. Then I will show you explain you the important value that contains okra, and I will share you my own experiences of how I incorporated okra in my diet of every day. Let's start with the process now. The first process consists of taking fish because we always cook okra with fish or meat, but I like with fish. You can take salt fish and dry fish, put it in water. It's gonna boil for 15 minutes. Then after that, you cut in small pieces your fish. Then you put the pot in the fire. You put water, tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, garlic, onion, pepper, green pepper, bell pepper, and all stuff that you think that can be good for your broth because it's a broth. Then you add some all fish you cut it inside, and after between 10 or 15 minutes, you can add your okra in the meal. Then before to add the okra, you need to mash or scratch the okra first. Then you add the okra in your meal and you're gonna wait for 3 minutes. Then yeah, you are good. So now you can eat your wonderful meal. Okra is very important and I have experienced it myself in my own life and in the life of my wife. When my wife was pregnant, I persuaded her to eat vegetable and okra every day. I had a garden, so it was easy for us to get vegetables. Then, because she was eating okra every day, once it arrived time to go to the hospital to make a baby, it was easy. Doctors didn't cry, push, 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 push. So she gave a wonderful boy easily in among 5 minutes. Okra is very important for our bones, for our heart, for our all stuff in the body. And someone who eat okra will live for a long time here in the earth. So I explain you, finish my speech. Just wanna say I explain you all step of okra. Now you know how to make okra. I invite you now to go to incorporate that dishes in your meal of every day. And as my wife was got a good result, you will be okay and get a good result you too. Thank you.